Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other website. You can claim your free BTC from that website. That website pay you much more BTC. If you click earn, and you can earn much more BTC from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. You can see the people earning the very high BTC from here, and they converted BTC to EXS value for Express Crypto. Okay, this website link available in description. Go to sign in. You can put your email, password, confirm password, username, and you carry your BTC wallet address, and you can easily log in here. Okay, that was too easy. The parking meter, just click it and just click it login for me, and this will be login. Okay, this is the iPayment website. Every rolling you can win very high payment Satoshi from here. Every roll you can earn 150 beats, and this is very high payment beats. This website pay you just Express Crypto. Okay, 1 EXS is the minimum withdrawal, and right now I have this much. This is the EX value. Okay, the next one is the short links. You can claim from short links, and this website pay you much more, 400 beats. This is very high payment short link website. This much beats you can earn if you watch all of these short links, and you can easily make your first withdrawal just watching this all short links. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, the next one is the PTC Ads. PTC Ads pay you 100 beats. Okay, just 45 seconds long waiting to watch this ads. Okay, this is one of the best Faucet website. The website I share with you, this is payment is very high payment, and this is one of the best payment website ever. Right now the Bitcoin price is very high, and this is right now the best website. Okay, you can know about the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin price is right now very high payment, and this is the highest payment Bitcoin right now. Okay, and this is the website pay you much more BTC. Every day you can make 20,000 BTC from here. Okay, and I just waiting for 45 seconds to I solve the capture, then I share with you the next step. Okay, that was finished. This select the image. Okay, just select it, and that's great. I close that page and I come back in here, reload the page, and you can see this much beats I earn from this just watching that ad. Okay, and you can easily watch all of these, and you can make much more. The next one is the view video. The view video is one of the best. You can view video, and you can make your free crypto. Okay, just submit it, and this one be showing a video for you. Just click view video and wait few seconds for view a video. Okay, this is the video. If you watch this video 50 seconds, this will be pay you much more. If you watch video 5 seconds, you can skip the video and you can make much more. Okay, and this is the one of the best way. Okay, I wait 3 seconds again. Okay, just I click escape, or this will be automatically escape, and I refresh the page to show you how much this website pay me. You can see this website pay me much more. You can watch again and watch again. You can completely watch a video, and this is the one of the best way you can earn some beats from here. Every video pay you 100 Satoshi. Okay, and you can watch again this video. You can turn it the sound or turn it off the sound. Okay, that was belongs to you. You can turn it or turn it off. I watched that video 5 seconds. This will be pay me lease or not. Okay, just wait for 50 seconds. Okay, and this is the one of the best way you can earn just watching video. The next one is the jobs. 3 jobs available in here. If you have website, promote this link to website, pay you this much beats. If you have blog, promote this one, pay you 7-day silver day. Silver day means pay you much more. If you have YouTube channel, we make a video and drop the link, and this website pay you this much beats. I tell you about the silver. I share with you this website more beats, and the silver is you can earn much more. If you earn silver, you can earn much more. Okay, like this one, you can see the beats is for me is very high. Payment beats, if I go to short links, the short links pay me much more than you, because I receive my 7-day silver day, and you can see this is iPayment, and I share with you the silver day receivement. Okay, this website have a lot of advertisement. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, not 7-day, this is 12-day silver day, and I can earn every 12th day because I promote with YouTube publishing a video with this, and you can publish it anything you want. This is all silver day available like this one. Okay, and you can earn much more with this one. Okay, and this is the another way you can earn. The next one is achievements. Achievements means if you complete the achievements, if you view this much short links, this will be pay you this much beats. The short links available in here, offer walls, and just short links and offer walls. If you complete all of these, you can make it much more beats from here too. And this website pay you much more beats, and this is the one of the best website for making much more money. Okay, and the next one is the referral. You can refer your friends. The people come join the Faucet 5%, referral 5%, and the short links will be pay you 5%, and the most daily referral pay you this much hours. This you can receive commission. Okay, and you can copy your referral, paste to your friends, come here, join with your referral link. Okay, this is all about the referral and the referral contest. Contest is the referral link is very high. You can see if I maybe making this much referral with you all, I will be participate to win this much beats. And you can go to short links and lottery tickets. This will be have a lottery tickets too, and this much tickets available in here right now, this much beats in here, and you can buy your ticket, free ticket, and you can make it much more. This is the last person win the lottery ticket. This person buy this much lottery ticket and earn this much beats, and this is one of the best. Okay, and this all you can participate to the all of these, and the minimum withdrawal is 1 EXS, and if you reach it 1, you can easily make a withdrawal. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. All of my website is a free way earning, and you can easily make free earning from the websites. Bye bye.